Before Property Intel, we had approximately 18 people out there running around trying to put together maintenance estimates for the company. In the last 6 months, we spent roughly $6,400, and I've produced $5.3 million in estimates. So cutting that down from 18 people out there down to one person and producing almost the same amount of estimates out there has been a true game changer for us. It's more information than we ever had out with pencil and paper walking around measuring these properties. It makes my life a whole lot easier. I like all the features that it has with it as far as integrating with Aspire. It makes it a one-click step. That was pretty much what sold us on that. So everything is where it should be, right down to us winning that job and sending it out to the crews out there, them having all the information that they need to do the job. So it simplifies that whole process, and it just eliminates the questions of, are we supposed to be doing that, or we're not supposed to be doing that, or is this included, or is that not? We're able to explain to that client that we're going to do what we're proposing to do. And here's how you're going to be able to hold us accountable for that. And it's only getting better as they keep making improvements to it.